Did you know that if you have sex with a stranger, you are practically having sex with all the previous partners ng stranger na yon? Mahakot mo ang lahat ng STDs nila, maging ang mga nakasex ng partners na nakasex ng strangers na nakasex mo. Magulo ba? Isipin mo lang isang malaki itong networking ng STDs.
You're a carrier. All these people here are doomed. You're doomed!
So, ano ang dapat na solusyon? Mag-condom? Alam nyo ba na maraming STDs na makukuha by mere skin-to-skin contact na hindi kayang i-prevent ng condom? Herpes, monkeypox, genital warts, and the most deadly of them all, the human papilloma virus, HPV, the cause of cervical cancer among women. And HPV is very prevalent among sexually active college girls. At walang any mainstream culture commentator ang magsasabi niyan sa inyo. Ito lang, si The J. Aruga Show lang. Sasabihin lang nila, may vaccine naman para dyan. Well, not for all strains of the virus.